When a client's case goes from what we call pre-lit or pre-suit into litigation, meaning a lawsuit's been filed, a lot of times the clients ask us, what's my involvement? And the client's biggest involvement, aside from continuing to get medical treatment and get better, is in the discovery process. In the discovery process, the client is oftentimes involved in two specific ways. The first way is when the client is asked to answer certain questions in writing and to produce certain documents or other information. So in discovery, we have a couple different tools that we can use to gather evidence and gather information. They're called interrogatories, which are written questions that we or the other side have to answer. There's requests for production of documents, which are exactly what they sound like, a request for the other side to produce documents or other pieces of evidence to us. And the last ones are called requests for admissions, where we ask the other side to admit or deny a specific fact or a specific question. So when the other side asks us questions or asks us for admissions or asks us for documents or other evidence, that's when oftentimes we'll go to the client and say, what's the answer to this? Or do you have this document? Or where did you go to the doctor? So that we can gather all of that and present it to the other side so long as they're entitled to it. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. Sometimes we disagree and we fight about it and we bring that dispute to the court. That's the first part of what a client will be asked to do. After that part is done, and maybe some other investigation is complete, the client will be asked to sit for what's called a deposition. A deposition is a question and answer session under oath. The other lawyer or lawyers will ask our client questions. We may ask questions, but oftentimes we don't, because we know what our clients are going to say. And those questions and answers are taken down in a little booklet by a court reporter. It looks like question, answer, and it's a way for everybody to memorialize what the client's testimony is about his or her injuries, about perhaps his or her lost wages, and certainly how the accident or incident occurred. And the other side wants to do that because they want to make sure they know as best they can what you're going to say about what happened to you and how it's affected you, because the expectation is that if you said it at your deposition and you were truthful, then you will say it again at trial. The discovery process can, first of all, be a little unnerving to clients or prospective clients. They worry, what do I have to do, or can I screw something up? Those questions are very common. Those feelings are common. If you have any questions about the discovery process, whether you're a client, want to become a client, or you're a client of somebody else, if any of this is feeling overwhelming, confusing, uncomfortable, reach out to us. You can call us at 833-438-7833, which is 833-GET-RUDE. You can find us on our website, getrude.com, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. But now, let's get back to the video.